Hi everybody, today I want to play the G Dorian mode. So as you may recall from my explanation about the modes, that Dorian is the second mode out of the 7 modes. So in the key of G, the first note of the Dorian mode is going to be what? Well, it's the second note of the G major scale, which is A. So that means we're going to play the G major scale, but we're going to start and end on A, and it sounds like this. All right, so basically what I'm doing is I've started on A and I went up the G scale, but instead of ending on G, I ended on A. And then I went back down, but instead of going all the way down to G, I went down to A. So, so the fingering and the intervals are the same as the G major scale. You're just starting and ending on a different note, ending on the second note of the Ionian scale or mode. So let me do that again without all the talking, starting with A, B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G, A. Okay, hopefully that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, the links are in the details below, and thank you for watching my video.